I'm about to go in the water.
I'm gonna wear on my swimsuit, but good thing I brought it on ready.
You can swim in the water with me if you want.
Okay.
You want to go, cousins? No. Okay.
I'm about to go.
I love swimming.
I'm about to go in the water.
I'm gonna swim.
Cannonball.
I love this water, but it's kind of brown. It's kind of dirty.